Alright guys, I'm going to make this a quick video. I just want to go over what I'm looking at on the smaller time frames for Bitcoin, what I'm looking to trade before, we get this dump that I'm projecting in the market. We'll see if we get it. I mean, it could happen, it might not happen. It's just what I'm seeing in the charts, guys. It's just my opinions. This is not financial advice. I'm going to zoom out quick, and we are playing an ABC here to match up with an ABC. This is in terms of Elliot Wave Theory. Join the Discord in the description below if you want to learn Elliot Wave Theory. And I'm expecting a dump to come down when this ABC finishes up, and it's just going to be a flat correction, correcting this, and then we're going to go up again for some type of a WXY. That's my primary account. There's a bunch of ways we can get up here, but it's just what I'm playing right now. So I'm going to pull the fibs on Bitcoin here and just give us a target range, just an estimate target range right here. Anywhere in this box looks good to me, up to the 1618, which would be 38,000. We'll just say 38,000. So knowing that, we're going to zoom in and see where we are in the progression of this. And, ultimately, I'm counting this wave here. And we need an impulse to match this impulse. A, B, I got 1. I got 1, 2, 3, looking for 4 to finish up, and then 5. That's what I'm playing. So I think we're in a wave 4 right now. We've been in a wave 4. When we were here, I was calling for a wave 4 to draw out. You could check my previous videos. I mean, it is what it is. But how I'm expecting this to play out is I want to see this come down. Something like this. Or it can even pipe up through here, come down for wave 4, and then you'll boom, get your one last push up, and then you come down. Something like that. So wave 4s are tough to trade, guys. It's a lot of chop. It's a lot of just wicking people out. Something like this, like just these wicks that just, you can't, you want to get in and out, quick trades. That's all you want to do. And then before you know it, boom, they drop it, take out all this liquidity, and then they'll bring it back up, take out all this liquidity, and then they'll dump it. Zoom in a little closer. All the other charts, Ethereum, it's looking the same. I keep trying to play this hit to the downside, and it's just pushing higher and higher. It keeps pushing up. So we'll see what happens. I got an ABC, A, B, yeah, maybe a little higher, maybe up to this 36.4. Maybe, yeah, pump into the night here, and then boom, come down, take out this, and then we can go up. It's just what I'm seeing in the charts, guys. Just wanted to throw a quick video update on YouTube. Join the Discord because I'm in there all the time, and I will post these updates in the Discord way more frequently. So I'll see you guys in there. It's a quick video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.